Hello friend, welcome to our YouTube channel Structure Design Hub, and this is our Etabs tutorial series 2. And today we will learn how to import grid line from AutoCAD file to Etabs. This is very quick, easy and fast method for draw grid line in Etabs. Let's start the tutorial. Here you are saying that I have a structure plan with some grid lines, but there are so, as you are seeing, that there are so many grid lines. If we try to draw manually, as I have already told you in tutorial 1, then it will become difficult because there are so many grid lines line, and it will create a confusion. And also there is a many chances of error. So in this case, we will directly import grid line from AutoCAD file to etab. So for this, first what we will do, we will just isolate our grid line by using command lay iso, lay iso, and click enter and select our grid lines only and click enter. It should be noted that we will not select bubbles and dimension because it will automatically create in etab. So just select our grid line by simply by dragging the cursor and control C, and we will paste this file into a new file and click control V and click. Here you are see that our grid lines are formed. So now what we will do, we will just simply explode our grid line by using command X, enter and enter. Why we are using this command? Because sometime what happen, our grid lines are in a form of block. So if we try to import your block grid line, then it will show a warning in a E tab during the time of import. So that's why we explode this line. Now our lines are exploded. Now what we will do, we will just convert our all line type into a zero line. And also we should focus that our line should be in bilayer. Now what we will do, we will just simply save our file, save as, and in a dxf form and save. Now what we will do, we will just close this file. It is a necessary step because if you will not close that file, then it also show warning while you are importing your guidelines. Now what we will do, we will open the etab software. Now click on file. Now click on import. Here I will click on dxf file of architecture grids. Click. Now now you can select your file. So my file is there, drawing number 4. I click on it and open. And as you know, our file, our in this file, our unit is in mm. So I will keep in mm, and I converted all my layer in a zero layer. I click on 0 and global direction will be Z. It is okay and leave it same and okay. And it will ask for save your file. Here I am saving my file. E tab, save. Here you are seeing that our grid line are formed. Now you can simply modify. If you are seeing that there is an error, then what you can do, you can just simply modify it by clicking on edit. You can also change the color of this grid line, which I already told you in uh, tutorial series 1. Modify, display grid as spacing. Here you can just verify your data with the AutoCAD file, that your grid line is okay or not. Here you can change also grid ID, as you are saying that in a CAD file, horizontal grid line name is 1 1 2 3 4, and vertical is in form of alphabet A B C D E. So simply you can here, you can change your grid ID A B B C, C D, like this. You can change your grid ID. And about rest of the option, I already teach you in tutorial series 1. So from there you can learn about these options. So our tutorial for this lecture, our tutorial is over. And if you like my tutorial, then please like, subscribe and share, so that it will motivate me to make more knowledgeable video like this. Thank you.